Serin, kalian keluar ya.
Bisa. Dua guru. Punya Nabil dua guru.
Kelihatan takut.
Bisa dimulai, Ra. Kan nggak harus nunggu banyak kan.
Punya Nabil dua guru.
Udah bisa mulai ya?
Bentar. Ya,
Udah bisa?
cek sekali lagi. Share screen-nya kamu udah atur nih?
Udah.
Penonton belum ada. Oh. Wih,
Ya ini siapa kalau bukan penonton?
Udah
Banyak
banyak.
ini.
penontonnya guru semua.
Nggak apa. Nice. Mulai nggak apa-apa. Bismillah.
Bisa dimulai. Udah aku record ya? Udah aku record.
Buka acaranya buka.
Oke. Baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, how are you tonight? I hope everyone is in good condition. Okay, beforehand, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Hanif Setiawan. I am from Man 1 Jember, and my friend Muhammad Silmi Kalfa as the moderator, and one more my friend Tajuddin Nabil Al-Mahdi as a presenter, and myself as the host who will open and close the VidCon this evening. Okay, right now, I give the VidCon completely to the moderator. For the moderator, the time is yours.
Right. Thank you for Dimas Hanif.
Roll.
I will take the role now. Before it, let me introduce myself again. My name Muhammad Silmi Kafah. You can call me Kakak. I'm in here as moderator. Right. Before we start this VidCon, let's start with basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Next. Tonight, we will share the video conference by presenter Nabil for sharing about industrial revolution. Alright, just let's start. I will Nabil, time is yours.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Tajuddin Nabil Al-Mahdi. I'm from Man 1 Jember. I'm here as the presenter of this meeting. I will explain to you about industrial revolution. Okay. Industrial revolution. Industrial revolution is generally divided into four parts, namely is Revolution 1.0, Revolution 2.0, Revolution 3.0, and Revolution 4.0. Definition of industrial revolution. Industrial revolution is major changes in agriculture, manufacturing, mining, transportation, and technology, which affect the world social, economic, and cultural conditions. The history of Revolution 1.0. The Industrial Revolution first appeared in England around the 18th, 18th century, 1750 until 1850, which was marked by discovery of a steam engine used in the production process of goods. James Watt. James Watt was the first to discover the efficient steam engine that changed the Industrial Revolution, both in England and around the world. Steam engines have impact too. For example, 1. Replace muscle power and air into engine. Before steam engine discovered, humans used muscle and animal power to help their work. And with steam engine, they can do their work easier. 2. Speed up production. With steam engine, humans can produce a lot of goods efficiently. 3. Simplify transportation. Because steam engine, humans can travel long distance in less time. 4. Facilitate imperialism and colonialism. In this era, steamship has been discovered, so they can go to all corners of the world in search of colonies. Revolution 2.0. Revolution 2.0 happened around the 20th century, marked by the invention of the electric power. One of the well-known inventions is assembly line in the form of a conveyor belt. Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution 2 affect almost all sectors, especially in the car industry. In this era, there was a massive car production because of the use of assembly line using conveyor belt. So make the manufacture easier. Like at this picture. In this picture is production of Ford Model T use the conveyor belt. As a result, this make the car price affordable, so affordable. Before Revolution 2.0, only rich people or conglomerate can buy a car. Now, middle and upper class can buy car easily. The impact of that is make the economy and standard of living on the people grow. Also, find new profession like repair shop service for car, but it make all profession gone too. Like amount of farmer is becoming less and less. Revolution 2.0. In this era, computers began to replace human jobs and roles. Example, for calculate formulas to financial records. In this era, computer or robot can replace human jobs and make the work more efficient. In developed countries, the manufacturing sector has become a mainstay, but in this era, computers still very ancient and need a lot of space and electricity to use it. Also very vulnerable to fraud. Although computer can replace human jobs, but that not in totally because computer is still very big and noisy. So only some people were willing to use computer at the time. Revolution 4.0. Revolution 4.0, characterized by the use of information and communication technology and have characteristic of interconnectivity or interconnectedness, as well as intelligence and automation system. As for progress in this era, 1. Internet. We can connect to each other regardless of distance and time with internet. 2. Big data. Big data is a large overflow of data derived from all activity records. So all our activities in the internet will be known because everything we do on the internet will be recorded and stored. 3. Cloud computing. That cloud computing is data processing through the internet network. One example of this is when we send messages via social media. 4. Artificial intelligence or AI. AI is machines. AI is machines that have the ability to learn, which can be aware that they are making mistakes and so make the right correction to improve the next result. However, in the other side, revolution industry has negative effect too, like 1. Easy data leaks, 2. Cybercrime, 3. Erosion of moral and cultural values, 4. etc. I think enough from the material. Thank you for your attention. The for moderator, the time is yours.
Okay. Thank you for your presentation. Is so much knowledge we can took for this presentation. All right. Next time for question and answer session. If you have question, you can give us the question. For all audience.
For information, and you can typing your question and column chat.
And from typing or speak.
Can ask question by unmute the speak or typing in the comment below. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, of course.
For Miss Riza Risti F. That's can by text or speak for video from video.
Check. Can you hear my voice?
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for giving me chance to ask some questions for the presenter. And before I ask the presenter the question, I want to say that I'm so proud of Nabil. And thank you for Kakak and Dimas Nadif for having this Zoom meeting, because this is my first time joining this Zoom meeting. And my question is about the negative effects of industrial revolution or revolution industry. I forgot the
Industrial
title.
Revolution.
Yeah, industrial revolution. You mentioned before that there are 3 negative effects of that thing.
Yes.
So based on your research, how to deal with those negative effects?
Deal.
Okay,
Go
that's
to
all my
above.
question. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right. Very good question from Miss Riza Risti. Thank you for your question. Let Nabil for answer the question.
Okay. Thanks, Kakak. Maybe I will answer the question. But for that, negative effect from industrial revolution in this point is first, easy data leaks. Maybe we can wait a minute. Maybe we can anticipate easy data leaks with we use the hard password for our account and use the double verification on our account and never click or install application in the foreign web. Yes, and 2, cybercrime. Cybercrime is a little hard to anticipate because there are many hackers in this world. So maybe for this solution, we must we must be careful in the social media. Like not share private information or extra example. 3, erosion of moral and cultural values. We can actually we can anticipate this point with first we must learn about learn more about religion, so we can anticipate erosion of moral. And about cultural values, we can we can conserve our culture in these countries, like we use our product of Indonesian, or we like use the batik, or do banjari, or like we like gamelan, or we like her gamelan, and extra. That is it.
Done?
Yes.
Done?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Any question again? Oh. Question from Hert Alfionanda. I wanna ask about the big data. So you said that big data will record all internet. Where it will be stored?
Oh. Actually, it many spice, or many places to store it. For one example is Google Office. Google Office has a supercomputer. That supercomputer can store maybe all of data in this world. So because the computer is very big. That's what one example.
Okay. Thank you for your question, Hert Alfionanda. Any question again
From the participant.
from participant? Or enough?
Is there any question?
If done any question again, I think it's enough. We can end this meeting. Before that, for all participant, you can fill the form of absence in link in the Zoom chat. Okay. Okay. We can end this meeting before all. We say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Thank you for all participant.
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay. I should okay.
Okay. Thank you for all participant. We can close this virtual conference.
Okay, thank you for
your time.
Okay, thank you for
your time.
Okay. Okay, thank you for moderator, and thanks also for the presenter and Talpa. Thank you for all audience for participant. I close this event and you can leave the Vicon. Let's go to close with reading Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, right now you can leave in this Vicon. Monggo.
Close the record.
Iya, biar pas 30 menit.
Recordnya ada dimatiin?
Belum.
Apa matiin dulu?
Masih banyak yang belum keluar. Oh, have kritik or saran? Sorry for yang baru masuk. Okay, and Vicon. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.